Do you think your partner cheated you? Do you think you are not having the true love with your partner, or your partner is not showing his love to you? Do you think there is no trust between both of you? Do you think your partner is not understanding you? Wait. Relationship, illegal relationship. Relationship where we are getting failure on the relationship. Either it may be a love break, or after marriage it may go to the divorce also. Why this starts? Second thing, after marriage, if it is not going to get break, it leads towards the illegal relationship. Why? Both are very very important question. Why does your partner breaks up with you? Why does your partner goes towards the illegal relationship? Why does you go for the divorce? The main thing is opposite person. What does the opposite person needs? Your opposite person needs pure love. Second important thing, your opposite person needs trust. Your opposite person needs understanding. If you are lacking on these three things, you are getting the above. Before what all the things I said, you are getting those things after marriage or before marriage or on the marriage, you are getting these challenges. How to overcome this challenge? Number one, it is very very important to see the moon and the ascendant on your chart. See, sometimes after marriage, or when we are seeing from the outsiders, when they are seeing, they are the married couple, they are a happy couple, everything. But unfortunately, they will be living in different rooms, or they will be living in different cities or countries. They can't live together, and there also the illegal relationship starts. When we are not getting the true love, when we are not getting the trust, understanding, money is not the big role here playing here. Everyone thinks money plays the roles, beauty plays the roles. No, not at all. Only this is the main three key areas where we are getting failed. If you are seeing the lower middle class people, middle lower class people, middle class people, so many husbands or wife, if the husband is not well, if the wife is not well, they are taking care of them. They are living together for more than 60 years, 80 years together. They are not saying for any illegal relationship. They are not going for any illegal relationship. Why? Because they have the mutual love between them. They have the mutual understanding between them. They both have the good trust between them. This regards to their lagna and the moon sign. So in your chart, if the moon or in your lagna, which is in Trikonasthana, is very very good, or in Kona, it is very very good. But if your moon and moon and lagna, which is not in the proper way, and also we have to see so many factors, but just for a simple thing I am saying about the moon and the ascendant, if it is in the 212 or 6-8, 3:11. These things doesn't makes lot of good things in their life. And also Venus, Mars plays the important role. Rahu plays the very important role. So you have to be keen on your life, because astrology is art of knowing oneself. You must know yourself and what all things you have to understand. First understand yourself, then go towards those things. Or else, if you are getting into the trap, you might be in the love, might be in the illegal relationship, or you are getting challenges in your relationship. So you have to overcome those challenges. You have to know about yourself, and to overcome the illegal relationship, or to overcome the untrustful love, you have to be very careful on the position of the planets on your chart and your partner's chart. I hope I am clearly giving you the things. If you need any help, you can WhatsApp me. Don't put a mask on your face and laugh, or don't take any harsh decision. Before taking a decision, please consult to help you, to show you the light on your way. By God's grace, I may help you.